This is 13th problem. Let me solve. Manav took 4 minutes to complete a race comprising 3 rounds. Right? So he's going to take for the whole journey or for those 3 rounds is going to take 4 minutes. 4 minutes is going to take to complete 3 rounds. Right. The time taken to complete first and second is the first round is going to take how much? That is 3 by 4 minutes. For second round, right, is going to take 1.5 minutes. Now, what we need to find, how much time was taken by Manav to complete the last round. So that is third round. So this is what we need to find out. So total time taken for 3 rounds, which is going to be time taken for first round, right, plus time taken for second round, plus time taken for third round, right. Now we need to find out the third round. Time taken for third round is equal to total time minus, right, first time taken for first round plus second round, right. So or otherwise, so what we can do, total time minus first round minus second round, we can do like this also. Total time, so 4 minutes. First round, so that is going to be 3 by 4 minutes. For second round, convert this into improper, that is 2 1 are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 minutes, right, 3 by 2 minutes. Now take a LCM for this. LCM of C, that is 1. So here there is no denominator, take it as a 1, 1, 4 and 2. Take LCM for this, that is, so 2 2s are 1, so 2 2s are 4 is going to be the LCM, 4, right. So 4 4s are 16 minus, see 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16 minus, right, 4 divided by 4, which is going to be 1, 1 into 3 is 3 minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 3s are 6. So which is nothing but 16 minus 9 by 4. Now 16 minus 9 is going to be 7, 7 by 4 minutes you will take to complete the last round, that is third round. So now convert this into improper, that is going to be 7 that divided by 4, 4 1s are 4, 3. Right, this is quotient, remainder and as well as divisor, that is QRD, that is 1 3 by 4, 1 3 by 4 minutes, right, 1 3 by 4 minutes, that is option C is the right one.